Hello chef. Today, let's unbox this Electrolux mixer, which has a powerful 450 watts motor with 5 speed controls and turbo function. This mixer is equipped with a 3.5-liter stainless steel rotating bowl. Mixer can be used both as a hand mixer separately for quick and convenient mixing or attached to the rotating bowl for longer batches. This Electrolux mixer set can be found under the codes EHSM 3310, EHSM 3300 or EHSM 3417. But now let the background music play and let's complete unboxing and assembling this kitchen mixer so we can make delicious cakes.